Hi, Sarah here with the Raegen Johnson Group. A couple weeks ago, we debuted our seller moving kits and we just completed our buyer moving kits, so I thought I'd share them with you. We put together these great kits for our buyers and we're going to give them to them the first time we go out to view properties. Inside them are some essentials. We have these notebooks with pens for them to take notes on the various properties. We have a tape measure, which always comes in handy to measure room sizes or measure for furniture. And as always, we have a water bottle. It's so important to stay hydrated here in the Valley. We also have a few little snacks and other treats for them. So if you or someone you know is looking to buy or sell in the greater Phoenix Valley, we'd love to assist you. As you can see, we'll take care of you or them from the time we meet you all the way through our escrow process. We try to attend all the closings with our clients. On moving day, we try to send them dinner because we know it's a hectic time for them. And then on into the future, we have these great client appreciation events just to celebrate our clients. Once you become a client of ours, you become part of the Raegen Johnson Group family and we treat you like family. So if you have any questions, reach out. We'd love to answer them. And as always, have a great day and celebrate living.